Hello everybody and welcome to the Creatrix YouTube channel. I welcome you all in a fresh session of analog electronics. And my dear friends, when I say we are going to learn analog electronics from the very basic, I mean it. We will be learning from the very basic level to the very advanced level along with a lots and lots of questions. So before we do that, let me first introduce myself for my friend who is meeting me for the first time. My dear friends, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. But my dear friends, the reason behind this series is because of the huge demand of analog electronics and the belief that whenever you ask for anything, we are there to deliver. Yes, my dear friends, we are here for you. We are here delivering for you. And when we say it, we'll support you to the very fullest level. And this series will help you crack GATE with the top rank. It will enable EC student to get 12 out of 12 and 5 out of 5 for electrical students. So my dear friends, if you want to learn with us live, then you can join an academy using the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount. And not only, my dear friend, 10% discount, it also brings you under my guidance so that I can help you do something that I have done. I can at least take you near to this goal. Okay. So if you also dream the same thing, then join me in this journey on an academy subscription using the code AnkitESE. Now, my dear friend, if you like the content that I deliver, you can watch more of my free videos on this URL, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. Here you will find all my videos arranged subject-wise, chapter-wise, and you will find great content for free. And you are definitely going to love it. You are definitely going to enjoy. It not only includes conceptual videos, but it also includes problem-solving sessions. So just visit this once and you will fall in love with this URL. Don't forget it. It is a lifeline for you. And if you love the content that we are delivering on YouTube, we have created the first ever video book for you guys, where you will find all the videos along with all the notes that we provide arranged subject wise, chapter wise. So now, my dear friends, your dreams are no longer dreams. They are becoming a reality because you are getting a top quality course, well arranged, well structured, and that too for free. So what can be better than that? What can be better than that? Nothing, my dear friends. So we have empowered the dreams of those who earlier used to think that only the person with a huge amount of money can crack GATE with a top rank. No, my dear friends, that is not the case. Even you can do. Even you can do it. But yes, just you need to believe in yourself and visit this link. But remember, this is a case sensitive link, so write this in uppercase. Other than that, if you join plus subscription, you get all the top educators like me teaching you live in daily lectures, along with providing you daily practice paper, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, crash course, rank improvement batch, and most importantly, clearing your each and every doubt. So if you join plus subscription, it is an entire world inside it. So you don't have to look outside. Once you enter plus, every need of yours will be taken care of, and we will make your journey as smooth as possible towards that destination of getting under 100, under 10 rank. Believe me, my friend, you leave that strategy part to us. You leave the content part to us. You just work hard and we will make sure that you obtain the top rank in GATE and ESE. And Iconic is a big brother of Plus. Yes, this is a little brother. So Iconic gives you everything that a Plus subscription gives, along with much more. The major part of Iconic is this personal coach, a person dedicated to you on a daily basis to get you the top rank, guiding you, getting your schedule design, making your strategy. Everything that you need to get the top rank is being done by this personal coach. He'll also create a study planner for you, which you can follow blindly and reach your destination with utmost ease. They will be analyzing your test result and tell you where you are lacking, how you can improve. So that way, my dear friend, everybody else will get a standard analysis, but you will get an analysis just tailor-made for you. Along with it, we have included study material additionally, theory and question bank, and soon we'll be introducing interview guidance into this. So this will become a complete package for a student who wants to take that journey from being an average student to sitting into a PSU or a MTech seat. So for them, this journey will be just like driving a Lamborghini to work. So that sort of a experience, that sort of a royal experience we are going to give you. So let's move on to the lecture, and if you want to join Unacademy, just make sure you use the code AnkitESE to get my guidance as well as to get 10% over and above whatever Unacademy offers you. So now let's move on to the lecture, dear friends, and let's see what we have in store for you.
Hi guys, in the previous two videos I have explained to use hybrid equivalent model of BJT, and what we saw in that model is the circuit remains same for all the configuration, and the only thing that changes is the name and the value of the parameters. So in this video I'll show you how to solve the problems based on hybrid equivalent model. So see the first question. It says calculate AI means current gain, RI input resistance, voltage gain, overall voltage gain, output resistance, and R0 dash means overall output resistance for a common emitter configuration. In this it has shown us the parameters. H parameters are given and two H parameters are 0, which means it is ignoring early effect. Okay, early effect is ignored in this circuit. So I'll try and draw the circuit. First what I'll do is I'll draw this Vs. Always remember this Vs will be a AC source. Then I'll draw this Rs. Now I have reached the base terminal. Remember, this capacitor will be shorted because we are dealing with AC analysis. And the beauty of this hybrid model is that the first thing that I am keeping on telling you, that is the circuit remains same, and the other thing is that you don't have to perform DC analysis. Why? Because H parameters will be directly given to you, so you can directly start with AC. Now we have reached the base terminal. Between base and emitter we will have a impedance HIE, and the current in this HIE will be IB. Now this is our emitter terminal. This emitter terminal is grounded. Then we have collector. Between collector and emitter we have a dependent source HFE IB. Since HOE is 0, it will be open. Now see this RC. You will ground this VCC. If you ground this VCC, RC will be connected between collector and ground. So this is RC. This voltage is V0. Now let us see how to solve this problem. This current we call it as I0. The first thing that it is asking is the current gain. So current gain is nothing but I0 by IB. Now see this thing. What happens is I0 is in opposite direction to this. This current is from bottom to top. So minus HFE IB over IB. Okay. So HFE is how much? 50. So this current gain comes out to be minus 50. Okay. Now you guys might be thinking that why I have taken IB and not IS. So why I have taken IB and not IS is that if you see the circuit carefully, you will see that IS is the current leaving the source. Okay. If it is the current leaving the source, it is same as the current IB. See, if I show here IS is same as IB. If nothing is mentioned, always find out I0 by IS and not I0 by IB. Is it fine? The other thing, input resistance. We know that input resistance is always excluding RS. So this is RI. This RI input resistance is nothing but HIE, which is actually 1 kilo. So the input resistance is 1 kilo ohm. Then what about voltage gain? If we are only talking about voltage gain and not the overall voltage gain, what I'll write? AV is V0 by VI, not VS. V0 is how much? I0 RC. VI is how much? HIE into IB. That is the voltage across this HIE. So I0 by IB, I0 by IB we just now calculated is minus 50. RC is 5 kilo ohm and HIE is 1 kilo ohm. So it is minus 250. Okay. Moving on. The next parameter that it is asking us is overall voltage gain, that is AVS. So I told you AVS is obtained using the voltage gain into a factor of potential division, which is RI by RI plus RS. AV is minus 250. RI we just now calculated, it is HIE, that is 1 kilo ohm, and RS is 10 kilo ohm. So 1 by 1 plus 10, that is minus 250 by 11, minus 22.7. The next parameter that we have to calculate is the output resistance. If it is only talking about R0 and it is asking R0 dash separately, then this is the overall output resistance. So if you see here, we have ignored HO because it is 0. Then what we will say is R0 is the output resistance looking from here and R0 dash is from the V0 terminal. So if you look at this HOE, then what you will say is R0 is nothing but 1 by HOE, which is infinite. What about R0 dash? R0 dash, if you see, it is nothing but parallel combination of these two. So R0 dash is nothing but R0 parallel RC. R0 is infinite. So when you take infinity in parallel with something, it comes out to be RC. So it is 5 kilo ohm. So overall output resistance is 5 kilo ohm, whereas the ideal output resistance is infinite. Okay. But in the question, remember, when it only asks, in numerical, if it only asks voltage gain, you will find out AVS. If it only asks output resistance, you will find R0 dash. Now, if it says separately voltage gain and overall voltage gain, then you will find AV and AVS. Otherwise, if it only says voltage gain, you will always find AVS. You will never find AV. So, whenever it asks any parameter, you always find out the overall parameter and not the internal parameter. Next one. So, in this question, it says, for a common ammeter configuration, find voltage gain AV, input resistance RI, and current gain AI. It is giving us the parameter HIE 1 kilo ohm, HFE 50, HRE and HOE 0, which means early effect is being ignored. Now whenever it only says the voltage gain, always remember you have to find the overall voltage gain. So let me try and draw the circuit. So first what I'll do is I'll draw VS. Okay. Then I'll draw RS. Okay. But for AC model we ground this VCC. If we ground this VCC, the top and the bottom terminal both are grounded, which means this 10 kilo ohm and 100 kilo ohm are in parallel. So we will have a resistance 10 parallel 100. Now we have reached the base terminal. We know between base and emitter we have a resistance HI. This is your emitter. Now emitter is directly connected to ground. So emitter is connected to ground. Between collector and emitter we have a current source. This current source is HFE into IB. IB is this current. Then see this RC. RC is connected between collector and ground. So between collector and ground we have RC. Collector terminal is connected to V0, and see this I0. I0 is going from collector to ground. So I0 is going from collector to ground. So we'll derive all the parameters one by one. So first I am focusing on the input resistance. Now I have always told you input resistance is calculated after RS. That is, RS is not a part of input resistance. This voltage is VI. This current is II. So if you see, the input resistance is nothing but parallel combination of these two resistances. 10 parallel 100 parallel HIE. Okay. Which means how much will it come out to be? 10 parallel 100 is 100 by 11 in parallel with 1. 100 by 11 divided by 100 by 11 plus 1. So 100 divided by 111. Okay. So how much this resistance comes out to be? If you put in the calculator, it will come out to be 0.9 kilo ohm. Is it fine? So that will be the value of the resistance, that is 0.9 kilo ohm. Now what happens? The next parameter that I will derive is the voltage gain. For that I will write V0. V0 is I0 into RC. If you see, the actual current is going like this, opposite to I0. So I0 is nothing but minus HFE into IB into RC. What about VI? VI is the voltage across 10 parallel 100 and HI. Both voltages VI, they are in parallel. So VI is nothing but HIE into IB. Now if I find out voltage gain, AV, AV is V0 over VI, that is minus HFE IB RC by HIE into IB. HFE is 50, RC is 5 kilo ohm, HIE is 1 kilo ohm. So minus 250. Then we calculate overall voltage gain. I told you, when only it asks voltage gain, always make sure that you find out overall voltage gain, which is computed using a factor of voltage division, that is RI over RI plus RS. RI we have just now derived, it is 0.9 kilo ohm. RS in the question is 10 kilo ohm. Okay, so how much this comes out to be? 250 into 0.9 divided by how much? 10.9. So it will come out to be 20.642. Okay, and the last parameter is the current gain. When we talk about current gain, again find out overall current gain. How you will find out? IB, how you will write out using current division? II into 10 parallel 100 by 10 parallel 100 plus HI. That is the current division I have applied between this 10 parallel 100 and HI. And what about I0? I0 is minus HFE IB. So if I write down here, I0 is minus HFE IB. IB I have written as II into 10 parallel 100 means 100 by 11 over 100 by 11 plus 1. So current gain, which is I naught over II, HFE is 50 minus 50 into 100 by 111. So how much will this come out to be? 50 into 100 is 5000 by 111 is 45. So minus 45.045. So that will be your current gain of this circuit. Is it fine? So what I have done actually is I have just found out the ratio of output current and the input current. Moving on, in the next problem it says we have to find voltage gain, input resistance and current gain where we know the hybrid parameters and HOE and HRE are 0. Again it means early effect is being ignored. So now how will I start? I'll again start drawing the circuit. So this is Vs in series with Rs. Now we have reached the base terminal. Between base and ammeter we show a resistance HIE. Then we reach the ammeter terminal. See, this ammeter terminal is directly connected to ground. And this Vs terminal is also connected to ground. Now we have reached collector. We know between collector and ammeter we have to show a current source HF into IB, where IB is this current. Our HOE is 0, so it will be open circuit. Now you will ground this VCC, which means this RC is connected between collector and ground. RC. Okay. Now I2 is the current shown between ground and collector. So this will be I2. This is V0. Now one resistance is remaining, this R dash. R dash is connected between collector and base. So you will connect R dash like this. Let me assume that the current here is I dash. Okay. Now this voltage is Vi and this current is Ia. Now we have to find the parameters. So from the previous two problems, what is the major difference here? The major difference is this R dash resistance of 200 kilo ohm connected between base and collector. So now, first what I'll try and do is, I'll try and find the input resistance. Input resistance, how do you find out? Vi over Ii. Now how to find this Ii? Ii is basically sum of two currents, which is I dash plus Ib. Now this Ib is very simple. It is Vi over Hie. But what about I dash? I dash is nothing but it is Vi minus V0 by R dash. Okay. What about this current I2? The current here is HF into IB. The current here is I dash. So you can say I2 is I dash minus HFE into IB. Now the thing is, when we are calculating the input resistance, I have to somehow eliminate. What I have to eliminate? I have to eliminate this I dash. I have to bring the entire equation in terms of IB, or you can say II, or you can say Vi. So I want I dash in terms of Vi. I don't want V0. So what you can say? V0 is nothing but I2 into RC, whereas if we write V0 is equal to I2 into RC, or you can say I dash minus HFE IB into RC. Okay. So if we know this, we can also write V0 as Vi minus I dash R dash from this equation. Okay. So I'll write on the next page, I'll write I dash minus HFE IB into RC. It is also equal to Vi minus I dash R dash. So from here what I can say is, if we collect the term I dash, RC plus R dash equal to Vi plus HFE RC into IB. IB is nothing but Vi over HI. So which means I dash is how much? Vi 1 plus HFE RC over HI over RC plus R dash. That means how much? 1 plus, now HFE is how much? HFE is given as 50. So 50. RC. RC is how much? RC is 5 kilo ohm and HI is 1 kilo ohm. 5 by 1. By RC, 5 kilo ohm plus R dash is how much? 200 kilo ohm. So it means Vi into 251 by 205 K. So 251 by 205 will be how much? It will come out to be 1.224, but due to kilo it will be milli Vi. Now if you want to find out input current, it is I dash plus IB. I dash is 1.224 milli Vi. IB is how much? Vi by HI. HI is 1 kilo ohm. So 1 upon 1 kilo ohm is 1 milli. So 2.224 milli Vi. So Vi over II is Ri. That is 1 by 2.224 milli. If you divide 1 by 2.224, you will get 0.4496 kilo. Okay, that will be the input resistance. So first parameter we have determined. Okay, so I'll be removing this. Then what I'll do is I'll try and find out the next parameter, that is the current gain, or let me solve it in the next slide. So the next parameter is your current gain. This data can be reused, that is why I haven't deleted. Now see, this current gain will be nothing but I2 over II. Okay. Now I2 is how much? I dash minus HFE IB, whereas II is I dash plus IB. So I dash is how much? 1.224 milli V1 minus HFE is how much? 50. IB is how much? Sorry, Vi. Vi over 1 kilo ohm, 1.224 milli Vi plus IB is Vi over 1 kilo ohm. So Vi will get cancelled. 1.224 milli minus 50 milli, because 1 upon 1 kilo ohm is 1 milli. 1.224 milli plus 1 milli. So it will be minus So how much will this come out to be? 48.756 by 2.224, 21.922 minus. That is your current gain I naught over II. Is it fine? Last, if I want to find out voltage gain, voltage gain will be, suppose V naught by Vi. V naught is I naught into RC. Vi is II into Ri. So that is your AV, but we will always find AVS. So AI, I naught by II, we just have calculate AI into RC over Ri. So AI is minus 21.922. RC is how much? 5 kilo ohm. Ri we just now calculated in the previous section, 0.4496. So how much will this come out to be? Current gain multiplied by 5k divided by 0.4496, that is 49.2821 minus 49.2821. Now if you want to find out the overall voltage gain, AVS will be AV multiplied by Ri over Ri plus Rs. So the voltage gain AV in this case is minus how much? 49.2821 into Ri is how much? 0.4496 by Rs is how much? 10 plus 0.4496. Okay, so this overall voltage gain will be very less. If you divide it by 10.4496, it will come out to be 2.12. Okay, that will be the overall voltage gain. Is it fine? So that is how you can try this problem based on the feedback. So what I have done for voltage gain, actually I naught RC by II Ri, and I naught by II, if you remember, we derived it as the current gain, that is minus 21.922. Is it fine? So you can try problems based on this. You just have to replace BJT by its hybrid equivalent model. In that model, remember, the circuit remains same, only the parameter values are different, and parameter values will always be given to you in the problem, just like I gave you in each and every problem. Okay, so this will be all from this video, and we'll talk more about other model or the third model in the next video. Okay, thank you.
I hope all of you have enjoyed the lecture that we were providing, and all of you learned something very, very good. Now is the time to learn about the Unacademy subscription. So as I told the benefits of the Plus subscription at the very beginning, let's go through them very, very quickly. Live classes you get by the top educators, crash course, rank improvement batch, doubt clearing, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, everything in one subscription called as Unacademy Plus. And Iconic is one level higher. It provides you a personal coach who will mentor you on a daily basis, who will guide you on a daily basis, along with providing you study planner, test analysis, study material, and soon enough interview guidance. So if you are looking to join Unacademy, let's see what are the pricing. So my dear friends, before we see the pricing, just see the link. This link will help you crack GATE and ESE with the top rank, because we have created the first ever video book for GATE and ESE for my YouTube family, and you will get the notes as well as the lectures here. Just make sure that you write this link in the uppercase, and you will get to the first ever video book for GATE and ESE, and it is nothing but revolutionary. Now let's see the pricing of Plus subscription. So for 12 months the pricing is 3250, but if you apply the code Ankit ESE, it becomes 27225. For 18 months it will be 34650, and for 24 months 39600. Believe me my dear friend, this is the most affordable pricing, and the longer duration subscriptions are more cost effective as compared to shorter duration. Like here it will cost you 1650 per month. Okay, this will be 2000 per month approx. This will be around 2250 per month. Then if you go for Iconic for 12 months, it is 5250 with code Ankit ESE, it becomes 45225, and 2-year subscription becomes 66600. So the choice is your, but take a longer duration subscription for more cost effective solution and to give GATE and ESE at least 2 times, so that if you once crack GATE, in the next attempt you can even get ESE. And other than that, my friends, you can download the Unacademy Learning app right now, because there we provide live classes for free, test series and live quizzes for free. And once you download it, make sure that you follow this profile. This is my profile, so that whenever I come live, you will get the notification. And this is the Telegram channel for our team. Here you will find all the lecture links, all the lecture files, and all the links for the special classes. Other than that, my friend, my personal Telegram channel also you can join, t.me/gateair1. Here you can get in touch with me and we can take this journey together. Okay. Other than that, we have other YouTube channels like Mechanical, Civil and Telugu, JEE channel, Computer Science, Gate Question and Electrical Junction, Pathshala and GS Terminal. Electrical Junction contains short videos of great concepts. Pathshala provides you animated content. JEE preparation can be done through these 2 channels, Unacademy SSC JEE and GS Terminal. And you can refer the other channels to the other friends in respective branches, so that they can also be benefited. At last, I would like to say, please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes. And share these videos among all your college group, among all your friends, so that we can create the first ever revolution of free education in field of GATE and ESE. Thank you to everybody for dedicating time to watching this video. Please move on to the next one as well, and take the benefit of all the free content that we are providing. And in case you have completed the series, do make sure you watch the other subjects available on this channel. Thank you.